Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to say you how to edit standard table values in SE16N. Let's get started. To enter edit mode in SE16N, you need to have three following requirements. First of all, you have to debug authorization with edit mode object as underscore develop. And of course, the second that you need to have the right to access SE16N. And the final, before you change anything, especially in production environment, you must follow your IT internal company policy. This slide we will go to the step 1 open debug mode. As you can see, this is screen of SE16N. Example, and the table I want to update is the EKES. Before we enter debug mode, you need to enter some critical like purchasing dot or item to get the line you want to modify. And after fills all requirement information, you enter the debug mode by enter command /8, and then the system will enter debug mode for you. And after that, press F8. Now we already open debug mode. Next is about the step 2, enter edit mode. After you F8, the system will bring you to the screen like that. You enter variable gd edit and gd SAP edit like this, and change with the value ex like this. After that, you press F8. And next is step 3. You change the value you want in the table and press save. The system will pop up a screen like this to notify that you already changed a rows or delete a rows or insert a rows, and you tick V. Next slide I will show you how to check change in SE16N. When you change anything in the SE16N, the system will save your change. And in here, in the screen of SE16N, you enter each chart and enter display change document. The next screen will display like this. You enter the table you want to check change. For example, the table EKES. Then you press F8. The system will display the list of changes. This also lists the table is changed with the time and also with the username who apply the change in the SE16N. To display the detail of the change, you double click on the line you want to check. The system will display like this. And this is all for the set today. I have several videos talk about SAP issue you can check here. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.